Now I am going to discuss the building numbers, numerals for a given digits. So the title of my today lecture will be building numbers, or numerals for a given number of digits. Digits will be more than 1. Now, again warm up. First, 0 in left hand side of any number does not changes the number. I am going to give the example. It is very, very important for this. So 034 is equal to 34. 034 is not a 3-digit number. It is only 2-digit number because 0 in the left hand side has no meaning. Second, even number. And a digit of any number may be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That means if this number comes an end of, you can say first digit. You can say the first digit of any number. If 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, it is an even number. Odd number, odd numbers and digit of any numbers may be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Or you can say the odd number, it is not divisible by 2. 2 से कोई डिवाइड ना हो वो ऑड नंबर है, आर द नंबर वेयर द फर्स्ट डिजिट may be 1, 3, 5, 7. That's the basic things which is going to be used in the building of the numbers. Now, And there is the number line that is very, very important, and it is going to be used throughout the life. Some student can ask, why it is called the number line? Number line, for number line. Two term has number line. Line everybody know? Line is a number shortest distance between 2 points. I have already explained, I will explain it. So, the number line can be just draw a line first. I am just giving an example. Draw the first line number. And you can start from, I am giving the number line from 0 to 20. It is very clear that number should be, line should be continuously this, and say it is 20. First write 0 and 20, it should be a bigger line. And approximately one can understand the half of this number is 10. It should also be a bigger line towards the bottom. Then half of this line will be 5. And here it is 15. ध्यान से जरा देखिएगा जो है, otherwise confusion हो जाएगा जो है. Now it is very simple to make 5 1 2 3 4. You can write also 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9. Ask the student to make this line. They have the scale here 11 12 13 and 14. Here it is 16 17 18 and 19. This is only up to class 3. अब देखिए, अब now I am just mentioning here is, I am just giving the example 1 on the basis of number line. Example 1. What is the example 1? Build the greatest number. Build the greatest number. Greatest number. Greatest number with 4 digits. और 4 digits क्या है? 1 3 7 and 9. Be careful. Greatest number by using 1 3 7 9 digits. How will make it? Solution. Solution. I am just giving hint. Arrange these digits in ascending order. Not ascending order, I am sorry, descending order. Of descending order means highest to lower. So 9, 7, 3, 1. O, T, H, T, H. It is a short form, but in expanded form, 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 1. It is expanded form. It is a short form. Suppose question is also to make a least number, lowest number, greatest number की जगह lowest number. So in the lowest number, I am putting lowest number. In this case, arrange these digits in ascending order. Ascending order means lowest is 1, 3, 7, 9. O, T, H, T, H. Expanded form 1000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 9. I am writing also expanded form so the student should understand the difference between the lowest, highest, ascending and descending and expanded form. Now, for these 9 digits are there, but if you consider 0 as also digits, so this is 10 digits. So the most important thing is how to make the highest and lowest where one digit will be 0. अब ये एग्जाम्पल बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेनी टीचर्स आर ऑल्सो कंफ्यूज्ड, व्हिच आई हैव द एक्सपीरियंस. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. Build the smallest and largest with 4 digits including 0. अब देखिए सॉल्यूशन. A largest digit, I will not repeat. For largest digits, one should go from higher digit to the lower digit. Very simple in all cases. So it will be 4 digits are given. I am not given. I am just giving you 4 digit 1, 3, 0 and 5. 4 digit. Here very clear, largest 5, 3, 1, 0. Expanded form 5000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 0. O, T, H, T, H. The most important thing is to make the lowest or smallest number. The lowest or smallest digit number. In this case, as per definition, it should go from lowest to highest. The lowest is 0, then 1, then 3 and 5. But can we it a 4-digit number? No, because 0 is on the left hand side. So it is only O, T, H. 0,000 has no meaning. So how you make a 4-digit number? For that, this is 3-digit number. I am just here writing 3-digit number. To make 4-digit number 0, 1, 3, 5, shift 1 to extreme left and replace 1 by 0. So it becomes 1, 0, 3, 5. Very clear? Now, again, because I have already said, the 0 in the left hand side has no meaning. Most important thing, I am giving the example 3. Build 5-digit number for this. Build 5-digit number for example 2. You don't have to do much exercise for that. First write a largest 5-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number is 5310. Only you have to repeat the 4th digit number again to make 5. 5, 5, 3, 1, 0. O, T, H. Always write question after 3 comma. T, H, T, T, H. For 6 digit, I am just explaining. Increase once more 5. 5, 5, 5, 3, 1, 0. O, T, H, T, H, T, T, H and log. अब देखिए, अब लोएस्ट क्या होगा? B. Lowest 5-digit number. Instead of the first digit number to be repeated 1035, so in the largest we have repeated 1. No, here only have to repeat 0 because 0 is the lowest digit. So here it becomes 1, 0 0 3 5 O T H T H T T H. Now for the 6th digit, you have to repeat 0 again. 1 0 0 0 3 5. Comma is wrong. Comma should be always after 3 digits. O T H. Here I have already given the bigger number because this is a class 4 subject, but for class 3 it is going to be enough for that. अब देखिए, and then I am giving you round off number. Make a round off number. A round off number. Numbers. It may be 2 digit, it may be 3 digit, it may be 5 digit. But in the class 3, we should concentrate up to only 2 digit. अब ये round off number means what? It is just approximately approximately nearest to 10 to 10. ये आपका जो है मैंने तरीका बताने का है जो है. अब देखिए, अब एग्जाम्पल मैं दे रहा हूं, 4 है. राउंड ऑफ नंबर 16 nearest to 10. अब देखिए, for better understanding, there is 2 method. One is the number line. So solution, first number line, here it becomes very important. The number line starts from 0, but since we have talked of the 16, so the nearest 10 is 20. So you have to draw the line, 0, 20, 10. बिगर मैं बोल रहा हूं 10. Here 5, here 15. Now you can make 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here there is no need to write the number, but since it is a children, so you can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then here 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. First I will explain, then I will write the steps. अब देखिए, now we have to choose 16. So the mark vertical line here as a 16. अब देखिए, now 16 is lying between 16, be careful, after 15. You can say this thing, or you can also say that 16 is greater than 15 and may be equal to. दोनों चीज ध्यान रखेगा, अगर 15 है तो भी, 16 है तो भी, इक्वल और ग्रेटर, then nearest number will be 20. But if it is any number like 14 is less than 15, the nearest number is 10. Nearest number is 10. So I am here writing the steps. So you can, small children, step 1, draw a number line between 0 and 20, 0 to 20. मैंने बना दिया, अब लिखिए स्टेप 2, draw vertical line with arrow at 16. Why vertical? Because 16 is a plus. The number above the line is plus and number below the line is minus. Step 3. Since 16 is greater than 15, 15 is a very, very important thing because it lies between 0 and 10. 15 lies between 10 and 20. So lowest number may be 10, largest number may be 20, round off. Since 16 is greater than, then 20 is a round of number nearest to 10. This is the one example, one method. What is the second method is very, very important. I am giving you the second method. I am just deleting this one because there is no need to retain this thing. The second method, I think a student can understood very easily. देखिए, number, right, number is equal to 16, but it is O and it is the T. देखिए, ध्यान से देखिएगा, अब नियरेस्ट 10 करना है तो 10 को टच नहीं करना है, 10 से पहले क्या आता है, वंस, तो लिखिए at O, the number is 6, ध्यान रखिएगा, और 6 नंबर है जो कि ग्रेटर देन 5 है। हियर इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, 6 क्या है, ग्रेटर देन 5, इसे नंबर लाइन में 5 और 15 था। अगर ये कंडीशन है एट ओ द नंबर इज 6 ग्रेटर देन 5, देन एड 1 to 1 of tens, ये क्या हो जाएगा, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now this is the step 1. Step 2, replace 1 by 2 and place 0 at once. Anything, तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये t आपका 2 हो जाएगा, 1 से 0 हो जाएगा. That is another way of making the roundabout number. So I am giving some question to you for practice by using both method. ये क्वेश्चंस हैं और सब नियरेस्ट टू 10 है. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन, round of following number, round of the following numbers nearest to 10, NEA, nearest to 10. नंबर क्या है मैं दे रहा हूं, देखिए A 14 by number line, B 25 by number line, C 44 by number line, D 86 by second method, मैंने O और T लिख करके, E 96 by second method, F 32 by second method. हिंट दे रहा हूं, यहां पर O लिखिए, T लिखिए, O लिखिए, T लिखिए. सेकेंड मेथड क्या है कि एट O दिस नंबर इज मोर देन 5, तो यहां पर 0 हो जाएगा, यहां पर क्या हो जाएगा 10 हो जाएगा, ध्यान रख लीजिएगा. अब यहां पर क्या है 6 है, तो यहाँ 0 हो जाएगा, 8 + 1 9 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर क्या है लेस देन 5 है, 0 हो जाएगा, 3 + 4 हो जाएगा. तो ये आप जो है करके आइए. सो आई थिंक दैट इज द एंड ऑफ माई सेकेंड लेक्चर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.